Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your subscription box with Cratejoy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate your subscription box with Cratejoy, start by logging into your Cratejoy account. If you don't have an account yet, visit cratejoy.com and sign up for one. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Products tab on the left sidebar. Click on Products to manage your subscription box offerings. Select the subscription box you want to automate. Click on Edit to view the product details. Scroll down to the Subscription Options section. Here, you will find various settings for your subscription box. Enable the Recurring Subscription option to allow automatic billing. You can choose options like weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Next, go to the Shipping section in the Product settings. Fill in the necessary shipping details including costs and handling times. Then, navigate to the Inventory section. Specify how many boxes you want to allocate for each subscription cycle. This step ensures you don't run out of stock unexpectedly. Now, move on to the checkout settings. Consider adding discount codes or incentives for new signups. After you've adjusted all necessary settings, review your pricing. Make sure it reflects the value of your subscription box. Once everything looks good, hit the Save button. Your subscription box is now set up for automation. Next, test the checkout process to ensure everything works properly. Make a small test purchase to see if the automation functions as expected. Check your email notifications to confirm receipt of the order. You're now ready to introduce your automated subscription box to the world. Keep an eye on your metrics to adjust operations if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.